Alright guys, we've made it here to Yongsan Station. It's a pretty big station where you can catch the KTX and different trains in different parts of Seoul and Korea. The reason why I came to Yongsan is they have basically the biggest electronic market here. I want to come and check out some of the gadgets and maybe upgrade some of my gear. I've got like a couple of hours, so apparently you need at least a week to check out some of the 5,000 shops here. Anyway guys, let's see what we can do. Alright guys, I'm here with my friend Paul. What's up, Paul?
Hey, what's up guys?
And Paul is from Guinea.
Nice to meet you.
Which is part of Africa. And
yes, West Africa.
And you've been here for how long?
I've been here like for 5 years now.
5 years?
Yeah.
And you have a Korean wife?
My wife is Korean, of course.
And he speaks Korean. Can you say hello?
안녕하세요.
See, there you go.
Yeah.
So he's showing me around Itaewon.
Those kebabs.
Kebabs here.
Yeah, this is kebab restaurants.
He's showing me around Itaewon.
Yeah, but right now we are on the call here the Black Streets.
Oh look, there's a lot of Africans here, man.
You can see a lot of Africans all around this place.
Around this place, so a lot of bars, clubs.
Mixed nationality, Nigerian, Congolese, Tanzanian, Kenyan.
All your brothers are here?
Yes, some of my brothers I can say. Not for really family, but
yeah,
coloring.
Soul family, brother. Oh, that's awesome.
They are my brothers.
So we're gonna try some African food in Korea later, right?
Yes, in a few times we're gonna check back on the African foods.
But now we're gonna get a haircut for you. You're gonna get a haircut.
Yeah, with my barbershop, they call OG.
OG.
Yeah, he even have his
old
sites.
School gangster.
Yeah, if you get to his barbershop, you will not miss out.
Okay,
it's really good.
Well, let's head to the barbershop now. Okay.
Yeah.
So you enjoy Korea, brother? You like Korea?
Yes, of course I enjoy Korea.
What's your favorite thing here in Korea?
My favorite thing in Korea is Korean manners.
Oh, really?
Korean, yeah. Their way to live, their way to think about people. They are not like racist, no, at all.
What about the Korean food? Do you like the Korean food?
Korean food, yes, of course, I do. Korean food, I mostly eat it because my wife is Korean, right? And yes.
Do you know how to cook Korean food? Do you know how to cook?
I know how to cook Korean food.
Oh, man, you have to cook for me sometime, man.
It's been a very pleasure for me because I'm a good cooker also, a part of that. Yes.
Amazing.
Yeah, and then I will show you also a African restaurant in Korea. I don't often come here, but it will be another experience to you also, because there is not many African restaurants
I
in
did
Korea.
not even know there was like African restaurants in Korea.
Yeah, as we are actually in the African street in Korea.
Yeah, this is like one big street and there's lots of Africans here, like African bars, African food.
Meters, from up to down.
Even kebabs.
Yes.
It's quite good, man.
We have kebab here with ice cream makers. Let me ask for one ice cream. You will see what it will do. Hello.
Where are you from?
We are actually from New Zealand.
I'm from New Zealand.
Yes, and I'm from Guinea.
Okay, thank you.
And where are you from?
You
Hey!
see that? I will never take this ice cream today.
You can never grab the ice cream. Oh, look, I can grab the ice cream. Oh,
Do you like more?
look at this guy.
Do you like more?
Oh, I cannot. Yeah, you grab.
This is wait. This is the Turkish kebab, right? Yeah.
A Turkish kebab? No, it's a Turkish ice cream.
What is that?
Yeah. Oh my God! The ice cream is flying. What's happening?
How come you can stick the ice cream on that thing? What the heck?
Oh my brother! When am I going to eat this ice cream? Maybe next year or tomorrow? No, my t-shirt please. Oh my God. Okay. I agree, okay.
Okay. Like more?
Oh!
More? Mix, I can mix.
Yeah,
Mix it! Whoa!
We have like 3 mixes here.
Okay.
Let's go.
Wow. Oh!
Hey!
Oh, where is gone? Oh, what's happening?
Oh my
What the
Turkish ice cream.
Okay.
Dondurma.
Okay, thank you.
Dondurma. See this guy?
Yeah. I'm telling you, this is for 2 years ice cream.
Okay.
Oh,
You see that?
you can never get the ice cream. What the heck?
This is only in Korea.
It's gone now. Where's the ice cream gone?
The ice cream is gone to Turkish. You will come back next year. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Give us two. One more, my brother.
30,000.
30,000.
What the heck?
That means 3,000.
It's pretty cheap. It's like $3. It's very nice though.
2 ice cream.
Turkish ice cream. Strawberry chocolate.
Yeah. My face have changed now.
Yeah,
no look, bro. I become more younger again.
you look young, man. You look like 10 years younger, brother.
You can only get is OJ's Barbershop in Itaewon. So
OJ's Barbershop, you hear that, people?
Itaewon.
Itaewon. This is the man,
Seoul.
OJ.
This is in Seoul.
Look at that haircut, man. He can make you look younger.
Yeah.
Guaranteed. Look how handsome this guy is now. I mean, he's handsome before, but he's more handsome now. He's more handsome.
Yeah, we'll put a smile in people's face.
You put the smile on people's face.
Yeah, that's what we'll do.
This is the fish soup.
Is it
Intestines. Got the rice.
Yeah, and this is the cow leg.
And the cow, right?
Cow leg.
So you're gonna have the cow, intestine, spicy. I think it's all spicy, right?
And this is the beans.
And it's beans.
Orange beans.
All right, rice beans. Check that out, guys. Yum yum.
I can't wait.
Okay, let's get into it. Check that out, guys. All eaten up right now. Only a little bit of that left, which I didn't eat. But the fish, beans, rice. These guys are talking about the boxing match. Anthony Joshua. It's a fixed match, right? Fixed. Joshua went down for the money. Yeah.
It's all about money.
But he's Nigerian from his roots. So you reckon he got paid off? He got paid off for...
And maybe for return game, more money for the bosses.
But having said that, did you enjoy the meal?
Awesome.
It's awesome, man. Thank you, OJ. Guys, don't forget about OJ's
So, you gotta try this Happy Home restaurant.
Happy Home Restaurant here.
Itaewon, so.
Itaewon. And if you want a haircut,
Come to OJ's Barbershop.
Thank you, brother. It's been a pleasure to eat with you.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Awesome. Alright guys, it's been a full-on day here in Seoul, Korea. Visited a few places, ended up at an awesome Happy Home African food restaurant with some of my African friends. And now it's heading to midnight, so it is time to head on back to the ACOM. It's been an awesome day. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Experience the journey. Inspire others. Live life, guys.